So I'm outside of my favorite thrift store and I think I found some really great stuff today. So let's see. I found these prints which I just love. I don't know that they're like super old or anything, but they're just so pretty and delicate, and I just love the mats. They're like kind of a grayed out blush color, and I found one, and then I was in another section and I found two more. I was so excited, but anyway, I just love them, and they were only $5 each, so yes. And I got this twin sheet set, which I might use in the property for one of the rooms. It's a little bit bright, but I don't think that much of it's going to show. I needed more of this kind of color, which is a little darker, but I'll see what I'll do with that. Use it like that, or maybe dye it a little bit or something. But also a good deal. And then these lamps, again with the lamps at the thrift store. Now these are super heavy. I guess they're quality lamps in the sense that they're made of something really heavy, but I really love the shape of these, and I got these for $10 each. And but the finish is all bad on these, so I really don't feel guilty about painting that. So that's really good. So I got this really cool lamp that I can just paint, like guilt-free. So I'm really happy about that. I got the set, and they came with these shades, which I'm not crazy about for this project, but weirdly, like, they're very actually well-made shades, and they're kind of cool, and they're pretty rigid. Like, it looks like it'd be soft, but it's pretty hard. And I like that. I like the look. It's sort of like a 50s look. So I may take these and spray paint them and use them for something else. But then I also got these two little prints that I think they were just IKEA type prints, but they're pretty good. The frames are nice, the picture's nice, but the mat's got water damage. So they were also $5 each. And you know, I don't mind spray painting a mat, so all in all, I think I did really well. And I'm really excited about the lamps and also those three prints. I mean, I'm not using those for the property, but I just absolutely love them, and I'll just add them to my stockpile of treasure.